Is your note taking system working for you? Let's refine it together. Welcome to day 31 of the Transform 365 challenge. Over the past few days, we've built the foundation of your second brain, capturing your notes, organizing them using the para method, creating templates, and adding tags for quick retrieval. Today, we are taking a step back to review and refine your system to make sure that it works seamlessly for you. This is an important step because no system is perfect right away. It evolves as you use it. Start by asking yourself these key questions. Is everything organized in a way that feels intuitive? Are your folders or categories easy to navigate? Do they reflect how you naturally think and work? Are there any categories, tags, or templates that I need to adjust? Maybe some tags feel redundant. Or a category like resources could be split into subcategories like books and courses. Am I consistently capturing new information in my second brain? If not, think about what's not working. Do you need to create a habit of adding notes daily? Take a few minutes to reflect on what's working well and what could be improved. Once you have identified areas for improvement, start making adjustments. Simplify your categories. If you find that certain folders or tags are overwhelming, consolidate them into broader categories or break them into smaller ones. Combine work and personal projects into one single folder called as projects. Refine your tags. If you have been using too many tags, narrow them down to the most relevant ones. Instead of tagging notes with both self improvement and personal growth, pick one and stick to it. Update your templates. If you have noticed gaps in your templates, add sections that will make them more useful. Add key takeaways section to your meeting note template if you find yourself summarizing discussions very frequently. These small tweaks can make a big difference in how smoothly your system runs. After making adjustments, test your refined system by using it for a day or two. Ask yourself, is it easier to find information now? Does this setup save me time or reduce stress? If something still feels off, don't hesitate to tweak it. Again, your second brain should adapt to your needs as they evolve. Reviewing and refining your system ensures that it stays functional and aligned with how you work. It helps you save time by eliminating unnecessary complexity. It reduces frustration by making your system intuitive and easy to use. It builds your confidence in relying on your second brain as a tool for organization and productivity. This practice is especially helpful as your second brain grows over time. It keeps everything streamlined and manageable. Take some time today to review and refine your second brain setup. What adjustments are you making to improve your system? Share your insights in the comments or use the hashtag Transform365. I would love to hear how this process is helping you.